In this video, I will be reviewing the Brieto M9 Pro Gyuto with Molybdenum Vanadium steel. Hello guys, I'm ChefPanko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. Make sure to subscribe to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. The Brieto M9 Pro Gyuto has been bought with my own money and all opinions in this video are my own without outside influence or contracts. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. Now, with the disclosures away, let's start with the video. We got 8 categories to talk about in this knife review. The first one is the aesthetic and specification of the Brieto M9 Pro Gyuto. The Brieto M9 Pro Gyuto has a mono steel construction made with molybdenum vanadium steel. The steel is stainless and is hard, durable and easy to sharpen. The blade length is 210mm measured from the heel towards the tip. The knife thickness is 1.9mm at the heel area and 1.8mm in the middle. The weight of the knife is only 170 grams. The Brieto M9 Pro Gyuto has a half-bolstered westernized handle. It is a full-tank handle that has been sandwiched between a laminated wooden handle and held together by 3 rivets. The handle has nice contours which also adds extra grip. The end of the handle prevents you from slipping out of the handle. The handle length is 11.5 centimeters. If you have a small to medium hand size, then this handle on the 210mm Brieto Gyuto will be comfortable to hold. If you have a large to extra large hand size, the handle might feel a bit narrow. The handle is water resistant and is very nicely made with a half bolster for better gripping comfort at the neck area of the knife. I recommend a pinch grip for a Gyuto knife where the thumb and index finger determine the balance point. The point of balance of the Brieto M9 Pro Gyuto is in front of the half bolster. The diagonal bolster also makes it comfortable to pinch at that area. For more precise tip work, the fingertip grip is also comfortable to hold. The knife will be front heavy with a fingertip grip assisting you with your tip work. The knife has a very nice gentle profile that slowly curves upwards towards the tip. It gives you a great smooth rocking performance without any hard stops at the heel. The narrower front area is also great for trimming fat. There will be less drag due to the narrower front part, which makes it ideal to slice oily, fatty food or food that tends to stick to your blade like food with high water content or starch. The exact steel type and Rockwell hardness have not been specified, but it is stainless steel that is durable and tough. The Rockwell hardness on my review sample is 58 or slightly higher. The out-of-the-box sharpness is good and it has a very nice roll and feel on the cutting board due to the mirror grind. The knife on my review sample is sharpened at around 12° angle per side. With the added taper on the 210mm, it is sharper at the front half. It also won't wedge on dense food due to the taper and thinness. The edge retention is around 4 months with regular honing sessions before needing a whetstone sharpening session. The Brieto Gyuto 210mm has a handle length of 11.5 centimeters. However, the handle is on the narrow side, which may be uncomfortable for those with large to extra large hand sizes if you use the knife for a prolonged time. The handle length on the 240mm and above is longer, but it has the same narrow handle. With a Rockwell of 58 or slightly higher, this knife is a great workhorse since it is tough and holds a decent edge without being brittle. A good knife for home and professional use, especially if you need a workhorse. Keep in mind that the Brieto Gyuto has a more curvy profile compared to other Gyutos. There are no spots for rust to build up since the Brieto Gyuto is entirely sealed off even at the bolster. That being said, you should always hand wash and dry the knife before stowing. You most likely need to hone the knife once in 3 weeks and add a sharpening session every 4 months if used at home. If you have any questions or other opinions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.